Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the newest smartphone releases, features, and trends. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, smartphones have become an integral part of our daily lives. So, let's dive right in and explore what's happening in the world of mobile technology. First up, let's talk about the latest smartphone releases. Every year, major smartphone manufacturers like Apple, Samsung, Google, and Huawei introduce new models that push the boundaries of innovation. In 2021, we've seen some incredible devices hit the market. One of the most highly anticipated releases this year was the iPhone 13 by Apple. It boasts a powerful A15 Bionic chip, improved camera system, and a stunning Super Retina XDR display. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series also made waves with its impressive performance, versatile camera setup, and 5G capabilities. And let's not forget about the Google Pixel 6, which promises enhanced computational photography and AI-driven features. Now that we've covered the latest releases, let's move on to the exciting features that these smartphones offer. Manufacturers are constantly striving to provide users with cutting-edge technology and unique functionalities. One prominent feature that has gained popularity is foldable displays. Companies like Samsung and Motorola have introduced smartphones with flexible screens that can be folded or unfolded for increased screen real estate. This innovation allows users to enjoy a larger display when needed while maintaining portability. Another trend we've seen is the integration of 5G technology. With faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and improved network capacity, 5G has the potential to revolutionize how we use our smartphones. It enables seamless streaming, gaming, and downloading large files on the go. Artificial intelligence, AI, is also playing a significant role in smartphone features. From AI-powered cameras that can recognize scenes and optimize settings to voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Bixby, smartphones are becoming smarter than ever before. Lastly, let's discuss the emerging trends in mobile technology. As the industry evolves, new trends emerge that shape the future of smartphones. One such trend is augmented reality, AR. With AR capabilities integrated into smartphones, users can experience immersive virtual content overlaid onto the real world. This opens up possibilities for gaming, education, shopping, and more. Another emerging trend is biometric authentication. While fingerprint sensors have become commonplace, manufacturers are now exploring facial recognition technology and even under-display fingerprint scanners for enhanced security and convenience. Lastly, sustainability has become a growing concern in the smartphone industry. Manufacturers are making efforts to reduce their carbon footprint by using recycled materials, optimizing energy efficiency, and implementing recycling programs for old devices. And there you have it, the newest smartphone releases, features, and trends. The world of mobile technology is constantly evolving, bringing us exciting innovations that enhance our daily lives. Which feature or trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.